Hello everyone. So in the last video we are done with the column span. Now in this video we will talk about the row span. Okay. So basically when it comes to column span, obviously column is divided in two parts and or two or multiple parts obviously. And when it comes to row span, obviously it depends on you in how many parts you want to divide. So first we will check the output of this. See, now the headings are not the column. Okay, headings are like the row wise name, phone, and the data is also one more column. Okay, so we want to split this row where we have a phone number. Okay, like this. So how to do that? First of all, your first row, okay, because whenever we write or whenever we use HTML table, we have to go row wise. Okay, so TR, it has two things. One is table heading name and it has table data also. Okay, they are in the first row. Then in the second row, we have first heading which is phone. So TH and phone. But it is row span equal to 2 because its value is divided into two parts. So we will write a first value with the same row. Okay. And we will have one more table row for only the value of this second row phone. So we have only one TD in the third TR and then close of table. So output of this will be something like this. So that is all about row span. Thank you everyone.